Did you know that negative thoughts can actually reduce our overall well-being by about 30%? That's a pretty staggering statistic, right? Just think about how many times a day we let those pesky negative thoughts creep in and take over our minds. It's time to take a stand. Today, we're diving into the importance of safeguarding your mind from negativity. If you want to maintain your mental health and happiness, you've got to learn how to protect yourself from those harmful thoughts that can drag you down. So, let's get into it. Negativity is everywhere, isn't it? We're constantly bombarded with societal pressures, whether it's through social media, work, or even our own relationships. These negative thoughts have a sneaky way of creeping into our heads and affecting how we feel about ourselves. They can lead to anxiety, depression, and just an overall feeling of dissatisfaction with life. It's like we're stuck in this cycle of doom and gloom, and it can be really tough to break free from it. But we've got to recognize that this negativity is not just a fleeting feeling, it can have a lasting impact on our mental health and happiness. So, how do we combat this? Let's explore some practical strategies to help you recognize and tackle negativity head-on. First off, mindfulness is a game changer. By being present and aware of your thoughts, you can catch those negative ones before they spiral out of control. Try taking a few deep breaths and focusing on the here and now. It really helps. Another powerful tool is positive affirmations. Seriously, telling yourself things like "I am enough" or "I can handle whatever comes my way" can shift your mindset. It might feel a bit cheesy at first, but trust me, it works. Let me share a quick story that really illustrates this transformation. A friend of mine, let's call her Sarah, was in a pretty dark place. She was constantly beating herself up over mistakes and comparing herself to others. One day, she decided enough was enough. She started practicing mindfulness, repeating positive affirmations, and even distanced herself from some toxic friendships. The change was incredible. Within a few months, she was a completely different person, happier, more confident, and ready to take on the world. It just goes to show how powerful it can be when you actively work to reduce negativity in your life. So, to wrap things up, remember the key strategies we discussed: practice mindfulness, use positive affirmations, and surround yourself with supportive people. By building this mental resilience, you're not just battling negativity, you're paving the way for a happier and healthier life. Now, I want to hear from you. Share your own experiences with negativity in the comments below. How have you managed to overcome it? And don't forget to check out my other video on mental wellness, where we dive even deeper into keeping your mind healthy. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourselves.